Hey everyone, Morgan here. You know why you're here, so let's get to it. First, we found this rain barrel that is food grade on Facebook Marketplace. Now you can find any type of food barrel that you want. This just happened to be like 50 bucks or something. No, I think it was like 25, something like that. Anyway, we are going to make this super simple for you all. We got some landscape fabric, we got some drills, we got the spigot that's going to go on the bottom. This is all you need to make this system work. Let's go ahead and get the spigot on first. We're going to measure out the spigot hole so that we know exactly where to drill and, how big to drill it. So that's the very first step there. See the hole? Nice and whole? Okay, got it. All right, so now we are going to drill. You drill a little hole first, then you're going to take the bigger bit and drill the bigger hole. You want the spigot to be nice and snug so that there's no leakage or anything like that. All right, once the outside part is on, you're gonna go ahead and then crawl into the barrel. That's right, you're gonna crawl into it so that you can secure the inside. Watch here as husband demonstrates crawling into the barrel. It's gonna be funny. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, here he goes. You will have to do this too, so, have an audience. All right, so now we are going to go ahead and test it. There's no leakage or anything. We actually just filled it with water, so as you can see. So we are testing to make sure the water comes out, but also that there's no leakage around the spigot. Now the next part is to cut open the top of the lid here. And so what he's doing is drilling a little hole in order to get this started. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you so it is not so boring. I hope you enjoy this music as you watch us speed cut this top. Okay, here we go. There it is. It fell into the bottom. Bonk. Okay, so there's the lid. Okay, so we're just going to rinse out any of the plastic particles or anything that might have fallen. The next part is securing the landscape fabric. All you do is you just kind of measure it like this and then cut it. You can always cut off any excess, so make it a little bit bigger. Just screw the lid on. You're not going to be taping down anything because nothing will be able to breathe or get in when it's secured like this. It is secure. Nothing can get in, not debris, not bugs, nothing, okay? So this is a really great, easy method. So here we go. We put it on some cinder blocks so that now it is gravity fed. You can make it taller if you wanted to, but a few cinder blocks for now was good for us. You can cut off this excess as well. And what we're doing now is just filling it just so it doesn't blow away in the wind a little bit. As you can see, ooh, a little tornado. That's fun. So we actually decided to move it into this spot because it gets amazing direct rain droplets whenever it rains right in there, and it fills it up so fast. You don't have to put it underneath gutters. You can put it just on the outside, but if you do have a direct source of water like we're seeing here, that is a little bit better. Of course, that's why people put it under gutters, because it's that direct source. But we don't have gutters, and this is a rental house, so this is what we are working with right now. And it fills it up incredibly fast. After just one rainstorm, it was filled up. So as you can see from the top here, there's a little bit of standing water. So I wanted to empty that because it is full. So I took a couple empty gallon of water jugs, and I filled it, and I have those around to water plants for later, as well as the rain barrel, right? So I can hook up my hose here as well as I fumble around with it one-handed. So, I can go ahead and water gardens or anything else with this as well, which makes it super, super duper handy to have a spigot on it like this. So it's gravity fed to be able to water. Of course, I could put a pump on it if I wanted to, but this is all no electricity, gravity fed system. So, why not just work with that instead of having to do pump and extra electricity and stuff. But I love this. It's super simple, less than $100. There's a link down below to where you can find instructions. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you later. Bye.